You want to start?
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, why not? Hi guys, episode 2 of this horror story. So today we're making egg sandwich, boiled egg. This is the first time I'm probably learning how to boil an egg.
इतने दुखी मन मेरे क्यों? Smile करो. Are you not happy you're learning good recipes?
Okay.
You only wanted to learn, no? So why so much?
Fine. I have this quite often. I have this for breakfast. Sometimes when I have training in the evening, I have this before that, so I can get the energy up before football.
And also good protein.
Exactly.
Now
yeah.
that he's growing older, he wants more and more protein. तो अलग अलग फॉर्म में मुझे अंडे इसको खिलाने होते हैं. ऑमलेट सैंडविच की आपने रेसिपी देखी है, मैंने बोला था ये अगस्त्या का फेवरेट है, यू नो द ऑमलेट टोस्टी यू लव. या सो वी गॉट दैट रेसिपी, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक. अगस्त्या ने उसे नहीं बनाया है, but he
I
knows how
still
to
don't
make
know
it.
what the lettuce is doing here. I don't have my boiled egg with lettuce.
Well,
the sandwich.
Okay, second confession. Every day, lettuce
Mom,
is added.
I'm not retarded. I can
Beta, but what
taste
happens?
the lettuce.
So what happens is we cut it so small.
No,
That when it
it
mixes with
doesn't.
the
It
dressing-
doesn't. No, it doesn't just pass down my stomach. I can taste what lettuce is. Now I don't know again whether you're trying to show them what a lovely
promise
chef you are and all this.
अच्छा आप
fake
संजू दीदी को
stuff.
फोन करो. You call her.
I'll call her.
Call
Actually.
now. You call Sanjana Didi.
Yeah.
I'm putting water. Actually, I have to show you how to boil.
Sanjana Di, so no. When you make my boiled egg sandwich for before Colts, उसमें lettuce नहीं जाता है ना?
सच सच बता संजू, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
कभी डालती हूँ चॉप.
नहीं, when I have training and then I have it in the evening and sometimes in.
नहीं.
पर कभी कभी तो डाल.
Guys, see, I'm telling you,
No,
this is so fake.
अच्छा सुनो, पहले उसने क्या बोला था?
कभी, and that too because it's your phone. Now she knows, Sanjana Di.
She told that to us.
Sanjana Di, आप नहीं डालते हो ना? Don't lie to me.
सच सच बता संजू.
Before Colts, जब मम्मा घर पे नहीं है, do you give me lettuce or no?
अगर से मम्मा का नहीं है, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, फुटबॉल खेलने जाते हैं
हाँ.
तभी नहीं डालती हूँ.
Okay.
ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए देती हूँ तभी डालती हूँ.
हाँ,
Thank
that I knew.
Thank you. So फिर lettuce is added to the egg sandwich,
It's
ना?
not.
Say sorry.
I only have boiled
Okay,
egg
thanks
sandwich.
संजू.
Lies. Y'all heard it now.
So you all heard it. Breakfast में डालती है, Colts में नहीं डालती
Because
है.
you're there.
So what? The point
They're
is when I'm there,
terrified
you
of you, bro.
But that's the reason ना. Otherwise आपके ना सिस्टम में कोई फ्रूट जाता, ना कोई वेजी डालता. अभी चलो, I will teach you how you can add lettuce and yet make it taste amazing. सुबह आप खाते हो, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है?
नहीं.
तो क्यों नाटक कर रहे हो? Now let's learn how to boil an egg. धीरे से, हाँ, तोड़ मत देना. चलो, add water,
Don't
cover the
do
eggs.
that, man.
I can see both of us. Okay, cringe.
All yours.
Cut. डालो, चलो.
What?
You put.
It's you. It's a bloody mirror.
I enjoyed it. I've never seen myself on the cover of a jug. Okay, I'm putting it. इसके भरोसे रहो तो. चलो, you have to cover the eggs,
You've
okay?
never seen a reflection in your life or what?
On a boy, on a jug.
Kettle.
It was nice.
Sorry, the
Okay?
kettle, it's
Shush.
okay.
Now we covered the eggs.
Huh.
Okay? Now you put the flame on. So, this one, press
Turns
hard,
left.
turns left.
You tell me on this.
First, perfect. Perfect. Now, this is the technique of boiling eggs. ठंडे पानी में, ये सब ध्यान से सुनिए, ठंडे पानी में हमने अंडे डाल दिए, ठीक है? अभी मैंने फ्लेम तेज कर दी है. जैसे ही उबाल इसमें आएगा, the moment there's a nice
I can
vigorous
understand Hindi.
boil, हम फ्लेम को बंद कर देंगे, इसे ढक देंगे और इसे 8 मिनट के लिए छोड़ देंगे. 8 to 9 minutes. के range में you leave and you will get perfectly boiled eggs.
Cool.
Cool?
Okay.
Okay, let this be. Till then, let's make the dressing of your favorite egg sandwich.
Favorite? I don't know where you got that from.
You don't like it?
No, it's good.
So what's your favorite?
Now you've put me on the spot.
What? Wait. What are you doing? This is a side plate. This is a chopping board. You want to make the dressing.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to make the dressing in a bowl. I taught you, showed you last time where the bowl is. Take it out, please. This one should be good.
Yeah.
Nice big bowl because we have to put the andas and we have to make the dressing. Okay, some Tabasco.
Okay.
I've given you some mustard.
Yeah.
I've given you some mayo. I've given you ketchup, pepper, and salt. Okay, now you want to make your own dressing.
Chalo.
Start with mayo because that's your base.
Right.
Okay. Nice. And then I'm going to use a spatula to help you. Okay.
Chalo.
And Agastya, can you see यहाँ पे boil हो गया पानी?
Yeah.
Turn the flame off. Go that side. Turn the flame off. Yeah. Left back. Yeah. Perfect.
It's off or God.
Yeah, it's off. Okay. Now, here tissues are here. At your service, my lad. जैसे ही पानी उबलने लगे, flame off, and away from the flame, and we'll cover it. Okay, so base बन गया mayo का. अब इसमें what do you want to put?
But doesn't mayo already have salt?
That's a very good question, Agastya. So yes, mayo does have salt, लेकिन हम इसमें और भी बहुत सारे ingredients डाल रहे हैं ना. We're adding the egg, we're adding the lettuce. So when you eat it in the sandwich, you might feel that the salt is less. But why don't we do one thing? पहले let's put everything together and then you taste it. फिर अगर आपको salt कम लगे, you add some salt. Yeah, sounds good. Come, let's start adding.
Mustard. Ketchup, I don't really want.
Very good. I'm very happy to hear that. Tabasco, you want to add? Add it. अगर आपके बच्चे छोटे हैं, they don't want any spice level, then you can avoid the Tabasco completely.
Yeah. I don't have British mustard. That's got a kick.
That's the one we are using, by the way.
So, but for the kids, no, you were saying.
Pepper. Not like that, बेटा बहुत जल जाएगा.
Trust me.
बेटा बहुत जल जाएगा.
Trust me. You don't trust me, Owen.
बस. Nice. Salt you are putting now or later? But so put. You put. No, you taste and put. It's a better thing to do. उसी से आप सीखोगे. So whenever we make recipes, ये सबके लिए है. आप प्रॉपर मसालेदार सब्जियां बना रही हैं या चिकन बना रहे हो या सिंपल सैंडविचेस बना रहे हो या बच्चों को सिखा रहे हो. रेसिपीज आर ऑलवेज गाइडलाइंस. ठीक है, आप एक बार बेसिक रेसिपी समझ गए, उसके बाद यूज योर ओन प्रेफरेंस, यूज योर ओन लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स टू अडेप्ट टू द recipe. Like for example, we don't like lettuce. I like to add some greens, so I am adding. I'll teach you how to cut the lettuce. You can just tear it also. It's easy. And when you go abroad to the university, you'll get lovely, great produce, great different types of lettuce. Please use it even when mom is not there with you in the university. Okay? Come on. It's very, very good to use these leaves. It adds.
It's already toned.
Yeah, no, it's not toned. That's the way it looks better. Now you tear it with your hands. Make it smaller because you don't like it so much, right?
ये कहाँ जाता है? This white shit.
It's all a part of the whole lettuce.
No, but the green one.
No, you can add the whole thing. जल्दी करो.
अरे I'm trying.
2 साल से lettuce ही छिल रहे हैं, तोड़ रहे हैं. Fast.
Dancing or what are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Cool, dude. You're so good. Chalo, come on to the football pitch. Then let's see.
I went to the football pitch. He called me once. पहले दिन ही मेरा पैर टूट गया. याद है ना?
Ankle injury for 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks I was out.
Tried to kick a football.
And only because of you, because you wanted me to learn.
So I'll come here and I'll just burn my hand now.
But am I letting you burn your hand? Am I not teaching you nicely?
And even I tried.
But then this is going to help you.
I tried.
This is going to help you.
That's not going to help you. Aren't you like a fitness influencer as well?
So don't I work out? Don't I go to the gym? Don't I work out at home? Don't I go for a walk?
I'm not going to speak. I'm just not going to.
I don't work out. You
No,
better say because
she
people
works out. She works out. It's the end product.
There's a...
That's why he didn't.
That was mean. That was mean. I'm not talking to you. I'm not teaching you anymore. I'm not teaching you anymore.
I'm so sorry.
By the way, did we put a timer for the eggs?
Hey, we took it out
No, we
now.
didn't. We didn't. 8 minutes we were supposed
8 minutes
to.
it took. It's
8
not
minutes
on
ho
the
gaya?
flame, no.
8 minutes ho gaya na? Okay, now this is done. First, let's take this out. Take out another bowl, darling. Okay, use the spoon to take it out.
Not a spoon, I'll get burnt. Metal is a good conductor of heat, wood is not.
Very smart, but hold on. The smarter thing to do is use a slotted spoon. इससे
Why?
क्या होगा?
Why?
Think.
I'm not.
When you're going to pick up the egg,
Huh.
the water is going to fall down. इसमें lots of the water will come along with it. Okay, I finally got a compliment. Smart.
Oh, credit where credit's due.
Thank you. So now we are
Move
going
it
to
back.
Move this back. You want me to keep it back?
Keep it here.
Chalo, mix the dressing with the spatula, with the lettuce as well.
I think there's more lettuce here than dressing, to be honest.
तो
It's
आपने
just-
बड़े बड़ा करा है ना, इसीलिए मैं तो usually ना fine chop करके करती हूँ. By the way, I have to teach you how to use the knife also. We're gonna do
Next
that
time.
next. What do you want to learn next? Think.
I'm saying pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine. We'll do pancakes. I'll make you some high protein pancakes. अगर से when you do
High
this ना,
protein pancakes कहाँ
yes,
से होगा?
दिखाती हूँ आपको. पर बेटा, when you're using a spatula, the purpose of a rubber spatula or a silicone spatula is that you can press it. So what are you doing? You're cleaning the edges
Why are you cleaning it?
because it's just neater, right? It's nice to work in a neat environment, right? By the way, आप चाहें तो you can keep the lettuce on top of the bread also directly instead of mixing it in the dressing, okay? So your dressing is done. The eggs are boiled. Eggs को ठंडा होने देंगे, उसके बाद we are going to de-shell them. तब तक why don't you butter the bread slices? That's your favorite part.
I've never made it, so I don't really know the favorite part.
The butter.
Bro, it's stuck. Oh, right, yeah, sure. Did I?
You've never
It's just
never
cut.
buttered.
How is this
Mister,
cut?
you've never buttered a slice of bread.
One second, wait, why is this
Don't
cut?
try and change the topic.
Of course, I've buttered the bread.
Exactly. So why did you say it's my first time? अरे लोग
First-
सोचेंगे 16 साल तक इसको कुछ सिखाया नहीं है.
तो सिखाया नहीं है.
नहीं सिखाया है. Scrambled eggs हमने नहीं साथ में बनाए हैं. कितने सारे हमने रेसिपी साथ में बनाई हैं.
We've
पिज्जा
made
नहीं बनाया है.
pizza. You
burger
think
नहीं
I
बनाया है.
did? You don't think I?
बहुत बदमाश
You
है.
think I remember how to make all
Don't
of
remember, that's a different thing because you didn't go back into the kitchen.
it? No,
but
because
I've
you did
taught you a lot.
everything. I just went there and sat there and made it entertaining for people.
Thank you. Now you're actually learning.
Yeah.
You are going to make all of this.
hope.
वो होप नहीं, हर दिन बनेगा ये. अब आप जो खाओगे ना सैंडविच, वो अपने हाथ से बना के खाओगे.
I don't know if I have the time for this.
Oh,
I'm not gonna lie.
you have to have the time. By the way, मेरे हिसाब से ना स्कूल में एक प्रॉपर सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए कुकिंग बिकॉज इट इज अ सर्वाइवल स्किल. मतलब पीपल डोंट रियलाइज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज टू से. ये मतलब बटर लगा रहा है और सोच रहा है कि इसने कभी ऐसा किया नहीं है.
No, I know how to butter bread.
स्पॉइल्ड है.
This is not called being spoiled.
स्पॉइल्ड.
How is this called being spoiled?
चलो बटर कितना लगेगा? और बेटा पूरा ड्रेसिंग भी आ रहा है ना.
हाँ,
तो बस हो गया.
क्यों?
Should I help you with two?
Oh yeah, that's too long. Fully forgot.
Okay, we'll deal with first. Then
Why?
we'll do
Why?
that later.
Why?
You want to do all of them together?
Sure, why not? Keep talking to them till then.
Keep talking to them. Should I keep telling them why nowadays you don't listen to me since the time you become a teenager?
I always listen to you.
He's actually a good boy. पर बदमाशी भी करता है.
Who-
और हर चीज
So I'm supposed to not do badmashi.
नहीं, but हर चीज में आर्ग्यूमेंट तो होनी ही होनी है.
But that's when I'm right. When
Oh,
do
when
I?
you're always
I
right.
always accept my defeats in life. I'm not gonna lie.
But you're not always right.
I only argue when I think I have a point to make, and if I'm wrong, then I will always tell you, right, my bad, sorry.
Yeah, he does say sorry. Why everything has to be an argument? इसका जो बर्थडे कार्ड है उसमें भी उसने लिखा था, remember?
What?
I love arguing with you.
Yeah, because it's fun. Because then she'll go into Bihari, and that's
that was-
entertainment for the whole family.
Should we speak in Bihari?
Mom, I don't know Bihari, but you can talk to me and I can laugh.
क्या कर रहे हो बबुआ? कितना देर तक लगाओगे बटरवा को ब्रेड में?
Oh, I'm. Mom, listen. There's something called dignity here.
इसकी तो dignity
I'm
है।
going to a new school, and they're gonna.
Nobody's gonna say anything. They will appreciate the
You
fact
wait.
that your mother is actually making.
I'll show you the
learn.
message. I'll actually show you the messages.
So you should be confident enough and say, "I'm learning how to cook with my mom. You also come. She'll teach you also.
You
Next time
also
bring.
come.
Yeah, get your friends. Next time we can do a session with all of them. How's that for an idea?
That's not a good idea.
Maybe they will like it. Why don't you give them an option?
Let's see Let's see the reaction.
Let's see
to
the
this
reaction.
Video.
Okay,
So the technique I've heard is just rolling it.
very good.
And my friends
थोड़ा
taught me
जोर से.
this. We had camp. And we learned.
During the camp, we learned this.
Yeah.
I'm so happy you have friends who know how to cook.
Lads. Okay. Yeah.
So you know why we do this, na, Agastya?
Why?
So basically,
It's separate.
Yeah, the egg separates easily from the shell. Whoa! You put too much pressure.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't
Now
worry.
you don't need to roll.
Don't
It's all
worry.
cracked into millions. Whoopsie.
Yeah, this is not good.
कोई बात नहीं. That's how you learn. चल, नीचे ही रख दो.
But the eggs also breaking.
That's
Problem.
what. See, so what you do is you use just your nails to. So basically, you have to handle eggs quite gently.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you see this little membrane that came out? That's also a part of the skin. Get that also up like this.
Okay.
है ना? Luckily, we are making an egg sandwich, boiled egg sandwich. इसमें से हमें मैश ही करना है. चलो डांडिया खेले. स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं रखेंगे. चल डालो. कुछ स्क्रीनशॉट रख दो माँ के लिए.
Only of you being retarded.
Only of me being retarded. Okay, fine. Mash it nicely. Fast now. You have to also be quick in the kitchen. You can't take like 5 hours to make one egg sandwich. Right?
So,
Nice. Good. Cut all your frustrations. All your irritation with your mother can come out of the eggs. Pura butter ka pot. Beta, I didn't realize.
but for four, and that's not a pot, alright? That's got like 1 cm depth.
It is a pot. Chalo, ab now, better. That's good. That's very good. I'll teach you now how to make it even nicer.
Doesn't look too appetizing.
Yeah,
I'm not
because
gonna
it,
lie.
like, do this. When you do this, you're putting pressure. ठीक है? ऐसे अगर आप डालोगे, तो ये आपने किया अच्छा है. पहला breaking के लिए ठीक है. अब now you have to blend it all together, right?
हाँ.
Okay. Now this looks good.
Sure.
Looks better, right?
Yeah, better.
Now what do you have to do? Think.
Just put it on the bread.
No. Test fail.
I mean, there was no other option. Oh, salt.
Yes, good. Taste, because आपने शुरू में नमक नहीं डाला था ना? So now taste it. Don't put the same fork back, okay?
Yeah, of course.
And here there is some dressing. Wait, Agastya, wait.
क्यों?
Because यहाँ पे कुछ dressing बच गया है. So let me first add all of that.
Okay.
Okay. Now mix this in.
Not needed.
Quite nice, huh?
No.
Not needed actually at all. है ना? चलो. Good. So we don't add any more salt. भाई साहब थोड़ा अंदर रहेंगे लाइन के. I know art is not your.
What line?
हट जाओ ये line.
It's in only, it's nothing is falling.
भाई साहब थोड़ा try and stay inside the line. I know art is
What
not your
line?
forte.
I don't know what you're trying to say. Nothing is falling.
Cheating.
Wait, I've not touched anything. Nothing is falling. Hey, actually,
Ajay.
get a bloody close up. Nothing is
He has a
falling.
close up. I have proof. Anyway, ठीक है, continue.
What do you want
Okay,
me to?
continue. Continue.
Trying to make me look bad.
I'm not trying to make you look bad. I'm trying to make you perfect. Okay, there's the proof. Close up. आइए, zoom in. ठीक है, हम जिंदगी में लाइन के अंदर कभी नहीं रह सकते. हैंड राइटिंग तो दुनिया ने देखी हुई है. मैथ हो, आर्ट हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, हमेशा
Art
लाइन
too.
के
When have
बाहर.
I done art in life?
I don't come when you were paused too. Bro, go fast, bro.
Never spoken like that
You
in my
haven't, but-
entire life.
I know teenagers do.
Oh my god. What were you trying to accomplish right now? There was no need.
जिस तरह से आप मेरी बैंड बजा रहे हो दो
तो-
एपिसोड में से making fun of me, I can make fun of you.
But I don't speak like that, so it's not a fact.
So I didn't say you speak like that. I said teenagers speak like that. चल भाई माफ कर मुझे.
तो हो गया ना?
हाँ चलो अब दूसरा स्लाइस उसके ऊपर डालो.
No, थोड़ा.
Nice. Press it slightly. Yeah, so it all becomes one. Same line पे करो बच्चे.
तो सेम
नहीं बच्चे यहाँ से थोड़ा अंदर. Good. काटना है इसको काट के खाएंगे. That'll be easier to eat, right?
Yeah, sure.
बच्चों के
Listen,
लिए.
I'm gonna try my technique now.
Great. Yeah, go right down. Yeah, perfect. Okay, we've broken the slice of bread, but that's okay. Keep the knife now. ठीक है? Now, that's yours, and this is also yours, which
First
is
time
nice.
I've used a knife.
I know, and that too such a big knife, and you've done a very good job with it, I have to say. ठीक है? आपके लिए मुझे एक अच्छा knife भी लाना होगा.
Why? I
Do you
don't
wanna?
use knives.
I think. Okay, so ये तो टूट गया है. We cannot
No.
present it.
Sure.
Should we have it? Let's break this apart. तो भाई हम ये टूटी फूटी मजेदार डिलिशियस सैंडविच खाते हैं जो मेरे बेटे ने बनाई है. एंड आप क्या करिएगा? Like and share this video with all your friends and family, especially those who have growing children, जिसे आपको कुछ essential, interesting, exciting recipes सिखानी है. Right, Gus?
Really interesting.
This is not interesting. Yeah, this is your choice. You said you want to learn how to make an egg sandwich. Agastya, this is very bad, huh? ये बहुत बदमाश लड़का है. बहुत तंग करता मुझे.
See, I don't know how y'all bear with this. I'm not gonna lie. All your subscribers,
हाँ.
I think they're just waiting for some entertainment. That's why they watch every video, hoping it'll be a bit interesting rather than just had a good time. I'm very happy that these YouTube, just a bit disappointed that they have to happen on YouTube, but it's fine.
Because
Other
घर में तो
people,
आप मेरे काबू आओगे नहीं. अभी आ गए हो. इसी बहाने सीख भी लोगे. क्या गड़बड़ है कि नहीं? My child is learning, your child is learning. I'm having fun, and it's entertaining.
people are getting entertained by
By you making fun of me.
yeah.
Okay.
I was finding a nicer way to say it.
Well,
but
that it is a fact.
Yeah.
So
so
as long as everyone's happy, you're happy.
I'm happy.
Okay. So on that happy note, see you soon. Agastya, he was not focusing. Smile.